Check out how beautiful these are. This is peanut butter, chocolate chips, and bananas all in one gorgeous cupcake. And then we're gonna frost it with a peanut butter frosting on top. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, so ridiculously good. My favorite combinations of food is chocolate, peanut butter, and bananas. And that is what is going to come together into this cupcake with this wonderful peanut butter frosting on top that I think you're going to find irresistible. It's super easy, like everything that I make, right? So all of your wet ingredients, including your peanut butter, is in one bowl, and I'm just gonna give it a quick mix. All your wet ingredients are combined. Now you just add them to your dry ingredients. The batter well combined with the dry and the wet ingredients. Put in your chocolate chips. And this is kind of thick. It's almost like a cookie dough batter. It's almost that thick. You can see here. So once again, I'm going to use my scoop so that the cupcakes all turn out to be about the same size. And I just scoop it in and fill up all of the cupcakes. So while the cupcakes are baking, I'm working on the frosting. I put butter and peanut butter in the microwave for 45 seconds until it's nice and soft and smooth and almost liquefied. And to that, I'm going to add in the powdered sugar and a little bit of vanilla until that is mixed all the way through. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And this will be your frosting to put on top of the cupcakes once they're nice and cooled. And I can't even begin to tell you how delicious it smells right now. The bananas, the peanut butter, the chocolate chips, all coming together. We'll let them rest overnight so that they're completely cool, and then I'll put the frosting on in the morning.